In this session, we are going to look safe chemical handling. Categories of hazardous chemicals are corrosive, flammable, toxic, reactive, biological carcinogen, radioactive. Physical states of hazardous materials are liquid, solid, gas, vapor. How to handle chemicals properly. Use cautions. Always follow procedures. Read all labels. Keep yourself and the work area clean. Plan ahead. Routes of exposure are inhalation, ingestion, absorption, injection. Symptoms of possible overexposure are eye discomfort, breathing difficulty, dizziness, headache, nausea, vomiting, skin irritation. The next topic: incompatible chemicals. Incompatible chemicals are following: flammables and oxidizers, flammables and any ignition source, acids and cyanides, strong acids and strong alkalines, concentrated acids and water, organic solvents and corrosives, corrosives and other reactive materials. In this topic we are going to look at agencies that regulate hazardous chemical storage. In this topic, how to handling flammable chemicals. Keep containers closed when not in use. Keep away from ignition sources. Avoid contact with incompatible materials. Only transfer to approved containers. Bond all receiving containers. Clean up spills and dispose of waste properly. In this topic, proper storage of flammable chemicals. Ensure that storage areas meet regulatory requirements. Replace all bung caps with drum vents after receiving containers. Ground all drums properly. Store quantities in approved storage rooms and cabinets. Store only in small quantities. The general safety tips for chemical handling. Never eat, drink, or smoke while using hazardous chemicals. Use personal protective equipment as required. Make sure all chemical containers are properly labeled. Always wash up after using chemicals. Never smell or taste a chemical to identify it. Know all emergency procedures and equipment. Always read labels MSDSS prior to use. Store all hazardous chemicals properly. Always use hazardous chemicals as intended. The next topic is primary container labels. Identity of the hazardous chemical. Appropriate hazard warnings. Name and address of the manufacturer or importer. Target organ effects. The next topic is secondary container labels. Identity of the hazardous chemical. Hazard warning information. In this topic we are going to look handling chemical emergencies. Know emergency phone numbers. Know how to control the spill. Know proper equipment shutdown procedure. Know proper evacuation routes and assembly areas. What emergency personnel you should know. Emergency cleanup and disposal measures. Required protective equipment. Use of cleanup equipment. Firefighting and other emergency measures, that is, first aid. Use of other emergency equipment. First aid for chemicals in the eyes. Don't rub the eyes. Hold eyelids open and flush with water for 15 minutes. Be careful not to contaminate the other eye. Seek additional medical attention. Flush area with lukewarm water for 15 minutes. Remove clothing and jewelry from burn area. Seek additional medical attention. In this topic, first aid for chemical inhalation. Move victim to fresh air. Get immediate help. The final topic is first aid for chemical ingestion. Induce vomiting only if told to do so by poison control. Get immediate medical attention. Thanks for watching. For more safety-related videos, please subscribe our channel. For safety courses, visit our website www.greenwgroup.com. Have a safe day.